I'm a clinician logging into our clinical research and treatment site. Let me show you how AI is revolutionizing personalized biomedical research and treatment recommendations. I'm opening the details for my patient John Smith. Here we see his demographics, date of birth, gender, contact information, and insurance details. Next, the diagnosis page shows John has stage 3 melanoma, diagnosed June 15, 2023. The molecular profile reveals his BRAF, NAS, and MSI testing status from his latest molecular testing. Treatment history shows his surgical procedures, radiation therapy, and any clinical trial participation. Clinical context includes his ECOG performance status, a standardized scale assessing how his disease impacts daily functioning and guides treatment decisions. We also capture his risk tolerance, quality of life priorities, and clinical trial interest. Now the magic happens. I click Generate Research Query and our AI model, Claude Sonnet 4, converts all this patient data into a personalized search query. This eliminates the need for clinicians to learn complex search syntax. The BioMCP research engine, enhanced with large language models, conducts research using our patient-specific query. It searches 3 main data sources: biomedical articles, clinical trials, and genetic variants. The LLM then synthesizes raw BioMCP data into structured research results. This takes a couple of minutes, perfect time for a coffee break. Back at the dashboard, I see a new task waiting: View research results for John Smith. Our AI has processed the raw research data and generated a comprehensive clinical summary with evidence quality ratings, treatment recommendations, and research gap analysis, all automatically. The AI identified level of evidence for BRAF plus MEK inhibitors, mapped 3 treatment pathways, and provided actionable clinical recommendations. Instead of spending 4 to 6 hours reviewing 42 articles and 40 clinical trials, our AI synthesized everything into structured insights. This transforms literature review from hours to minutes, giving clinicians comprehensive treatment landscapes for informed decision-making. Clinicians now have access to the latest research with evidence quality ratings, enabling evidence-based decisions. Our AI identifies research gaps, helping identify patients for clinical trials. The key value: our AI transforms complex research data into actionable clinical intelligence that enhances treatment decisions and patient outcomes while dramatically reducing literature review time. Now I click Continue to Treatment Comparison. This is where our AI really shows its clinical intelligence. Our AI performs comprehensive clinical assessment work. Let's examine our AI's risk assessment for each treatment. Notice how the AI gives us high confidence in all 3 assessments, not because the treatments are equally safe, but because it has clear, complete data to make these evaluations. Treatment 1, BRAF plus MEK, low risk with high confidence. Our AI found strong phase 3 evidence, FDA approval, 75% success rate, and standardized 12-month protocol. All factors scored low risk. Treatment 2, PD-1 immunotherapy, medium risk with high confidence. Good evidence and FDA approval, but moderate success rates and variable duration created mixed risk factors. Treatment 3, clinical trial, high risk with high confidence. Experimental status, uncertain success rates, and variable protocols, but the AI is still confident because it has solid data to work with. Our AI uses rule-based estimation, it's not guessing. It applies established clinical rules: A-level evidence equals low risk, FDA approved equals low risk, 75% success equals low risk. The AI combines these factors using majority rule to determine overall risk level. Now look at the cost analysis. For FDA-approved treatments, we get high confidence because pricing is well established. But for the clinical trial, we see low confidence, not because it's expensive, but because experimental treatments have variable pricing and uncertain insurance coverage. Notice we only have monthly and annual costs, the other fields are blank. With real database integration, we could populate these with real-time, patient-specific data. This transparency is crucial for clinical decision-making. Our AI doesn't just give you numbers, it tells you how confident it is in those numbers, helping clinicians understand which data they can trust and where they might need additional research. Back at the dashboard, you can view all search query history, providing a complete audit trail of every research query conducted. This captures each personalized research session, enabling clinicians to track their research activities and maintain compliance with clinical documentation requirements. In conclusion, this AI-powered solution demonstrates how AI is transforming clinical decision support, from hours of manual research to minutes of intelligent analysis, providing comprehensive, evidence-based treatment recommendations that enhance patient care and clinical efficiency. Please reach out if you want to collaborate with us on your clinical research project. Thank you for watching.